Hello folks, we come to the part 3 of the miscellaneous exercise chapter 6 and we continue with the normal procedure. We are given the equation in two parts, we solve both the parts and we come to a common solution, and whatever solution that we get we represent it on the number line. So let's take this part 1 of this equation. Consider 3x minus 7 greater than 2 times x minus 6. We could go in for the opening of this bracket. So it will come to 2x minus 12. Could have this here, could have this here. So 3x minus 2x is greater than minus 12 plus 7. So it will be x greater than minus 5. You have the next part also. 6 minus x greater than 11 minus 2x. Could have this coming here, coming here. So you already have the minus x, the plus 2x will come here. 11 is there here, the 6 can go there. So this is x greater than 5. So what happens here, let's club these two results together. X is greater than minus 5 and x is also greater than 5. How can both of them happen together? There is an x which is greater than minus 5 and there is an x which is greater than 5. Both have to happen together. See, basically you should have that x which will satisfy both the conditions. So if you could have an x which is greater than 5, it will satisfy both the conditions. That's how you're supposed to take. You should take those x's which will satisfy both the conditions. So basically x belongs to phi infinity should satisfy both the conditions. So that is why we could have maybe like minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Then your solution will be everything on this side. So that like it will satisfy both the conditions. That's about this problem. Then we go to the next one. Here also we have got two parts. So let's consider the first part. It's a relatively long part. So let's take the part as such. First part, 5 times 2x minus 7 minus 3 times 2x plus 3 is something strictly less than equal to 0. Let's open up both these brackets and see what happens. It's 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 less than or equal to 0. 10x minus 6x, it's 4x, and this is minus 44 is less than or equal to 0. 4x, we could have the 44 going on the other side. So x will become 44 by 4, which means x is strictly less than or equal to 11. So that's our part 1. Then let's take the part 2 also. If you could take the part 2, 2x plus 19 is less than or equal to 6x plus 47. Yeah, let's see how this will go. We'll have the x on one side and you'll have the number on the other side. So you have 6x minus 2x and you have plus 19 minus 47. This is 4x. And 47 minus 19, we'll have to work out. 47 and 19. 17 and 9, it should be 8. Yeah, it's 8. And then this is 3 and 1, 28. So you have minus 28. So when you divide by 4, it will be, yeah, so it's minus 7 less than or equal to x. So we club these two results together here. We have minus 7 less than or equal to x and x less than or equal to 11. Like that you have minus 7 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 11. So your x is lying between minus 7 and 11. That's it. So x is any value which is lying between minus 7 and 11. I have to keep checking the inequalities, sometimes strictly, yeah. So that's right. Now when we have to represent it in a graph, so we can write, in the graph. We have values between minus 7 and 11, but I wonder if it will be accommodated. Let's take, say, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have your values between minus 7 and 11. Now here this is inclusive. So minus 7 and 11 to be included. This is the solution. is the solution. Very easy. Just to plot it, common sense, plot it up together, that's what is your answer. That was our problem number 10. Now we go to problem number 11, which is a word problem. So let's go through the word problem. Nothing tough at all. Yeah. A solution is kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. It is kept between 68 degree and 77 degree. It is kept like that. Then what happens? Find what is the range of temperature in Celsius if the Celsius Fahrenheit conversion is given to you. They give you a conversion that this is 9 by 5 C plus 32. Nothing new to us. We have done it at length in the 9th standard in the graph chapter. Yeah. So if the Fahrenheit is ranging between 68 and 77, then where should the Celsius range? That's a question. So very simple, we just put the Celsius, put the equality, then solve it, solve the inequation and see how we get the answer like. So we can write, given that the Fahrenheit is ranging between 68 and 77, right? So because it is given that it's ranging between this, we have put the Fahrenheit, but Fahrenheit is equal to a certain thing. So there is no harm if we replace 9 by 5 plus 32 because it's equal 77, and we are more interested in getting the C. So in order to get the C, the other terms have to get eliminated. So first 32 has to go, subtracting throughout by 32. So 68 minus 32, 9 by 9C by 5 plus 32 minus 32, 77 minus 32. How much comes here? 6 minus 2, it's 8 minus 2, it's 6. That's 3. This has gone. So you are left with 9 by 5 C. Now 7 minus 2, it's 5. 7 minus 3, it's 4. 36 and 45. We learned in just the previous problem that 9 by 5 at one stretch we can remove by multiplying 5 by 9 on all sides. So let's multiply 5 by 9 on all sides so that you can have that removed at one stretch. See, it's 9 by 5 into 5 by 9. So that this is okay, gone. And see, 9 4s are 9 5s are. So it's 20 less than C less than 25. Let's see how we can conclude. What do they say? What is the range? So the required range is 20 degrees C to 25 degree C. That's what they have asked us. In what range does the Celsius vary? So it is varying in this. That's, get that thing from here and put it and find out. So that's about this. Then with the remaining problems, we come in the next part. Thank you.